Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. I have another Dollar Tree haul to share with you. I have noticed that they just started putting up things for Valentine's Day, and they had many boxes with items for spring. But I guess when I went this weekend, they were just in the process of transitioning from winter Christmas items over to Valentine's Day and spring. But I did manage to pick up a few things, and that's everything that you see here in front of you. But as usual, I will go through them one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so to start off the haul, I wanted to pick up a few more of these. If you've seen my last video, the Dollar Tree that I've been going to for quite a while now, the only one that is, they had all of their winter Christmas items 50% off. So these are one of my favorite items that the Dollar Tree sells. They are the little mini wreath. They come in white and red berries and the pine cones, and I wanted to pick up a few more white ones. And these are great if you're hanging them on a cupboard door or a china cabinet door. They go around the LED candles, but even if you just bunch them all together and then lay them across a mantle, they look so pretty. So this was one of my favorite items, as I said, from Dollar Tree, and with 50% off, I was able to pick them up for 63 cents each, which is awesome. Okay, so next off, I came across this round cutting board, and it is glass, and I really love this pattern. I actually went to the Goodwill because I needed to look for something in particular, and I came across a couple items. One is this candle stick holder, which is really cute, and then this other piece I picked up is the top of a cake plate, or it could have been the top of a cheese plate. So all they had was the top, but I've been looking for something small because in my motorhome I wanted to have a tiny cake or cupcake stand, and I figured something like this would be the perfect size, just enough for a few little goodies, not a whole lot, just little mini cupcakes or a few little mini cookies, so that if I leave them in there, they are covered. And I needed to find a plate to use for this, and what I initially went into the Dollar Tree for was to see if I could find the marbled plates, and they did have the larger ones, but they didn't have the smaller ones. So another option I thought would be really good was to use one of these cutting boards, which is really great that it's glass, so that way it's very easy to clean. And it happened to be the perfect size. And then what I thought was really cute too is that where this circle is before the buffalo check begins, that's pretty much the size of the glass top for this. Now I got to be careful because I need to glue this yet, but I think it is the cutest little cake or cupcake stand, and I think it'll be really cute for the area that I'm putting it in. I'm just making a small little coffee bar in there, and I think this is the perfect size for that area. So I was super happy to come across this particular glass cutting board, especially because it has the black and white buffalo check, and it says family is everything. So really happy about that. And then I came across these new candlestick holders. I haven't seen these at Dollar Tree before, but I thought they were really nice. I love the shape of them. I do like them a lot better than the regular glass candle holders. They are nice, but they seem more, maybe just because I've seen them so often, this just seems like more modern, more contemporary. So I think these are really nice, and they're a great idea too if you want to make a tiered stand. You definitely could stack these on top, one on top of the other, to make a really neat pedestal. I picked up 2. I don't know what I'm going to be doing yet with them, but I thought they were really, really nice. Next up, over in the crafting section, they had a ton of the Dollar Tree decorative nautical rope, so I picked up a few bunches of those, as I will be doing a project or a DIY with these probably in the next video. And then I came across the letter tiles by Craft Medley. Now, I had picked up the regular Scrabble tiles before, but these ones I had not seen. They are black and white, which is adorable. So I had to pick up a couple packs of these. I'm thinking I should have picked up more. I don't know what I'm using them for, but I'm always afraid that I'm going to see something and then not see it the next time around. Then I picked up, they only had 2 of these. They are a wooden blackboard dry erase, and they are in the shape of a house. I thought they were pretty cute. Again, I don't know what I'm using them for, but I thought they were really nice. And then I finally came across the cosmetic case. I had seen a lot of people hauling this, and I didn't think we were going to get them at our Dollar Trees here in Canada, well, at least the one that I go to, but they did arrive. So I just picked up the white, and it has like a iridescent mother of pearl finish to it, and I think they are really nice. But they are, this item here was $1.50. So as I said, they were bringing out some spring items. So the couple items that I picked up, these I had seen actually last year, but I saw them maybe twice and then I didn't see them anymore. I think they are absolutely adorable. They are a planter in the shape of a half a barrel. So I think these are really, really nice. So I picked up 2. Again, I wished I would have picked up a couple more, but hopefully when I go back, they will have a few more and then I'll be able to pick them up then. This was another item that I loved at Dollar Tree that I see they brought back again. They are the metal watering cans on a pick, or they call them a garden stake. So these were super sweet as well, and I picked up a few of these. Just love them. A couple of metal items that I hadn't seen. They are by Crafter Square. The first is this metal frame. Super cute. It has a heart on it, and you get 1 in the package, and you can see they are $1.50. So little by little, the items are slowly all going up. Then this metal tag with the jute twine, you get 3 in a pack for $1.50. So the last few items that I have to show you are pretty much Valentine's Day related, other than this item here. So these, first off, are all wooden items by Multicraft, but I love this bird, so I picked up a couple of those. I picked up a couple of the hearts with the red ribbon attached to it. I picked up a few of these box caddies, and I found them in 2 different sizes, and they have a heart on each end. So this is the smaller one, and then this one is just a tad bit bigger. And then I came across these wooden color your own ornament. They are heart shaped. You get 5 pieces in a pack. I picked up a bunch of these little packaged items. The first here, you get 12 glitter foam shapes. So there is pink and red. A couple packages I picked up of the table scatters in pink and red, and you get 50 in each pack. I picked up a couple packages of these heart containers, so they open up and you can fill them with items, and you get 4 in a pack. And then I picked up 3 packages of these foam table scatters, and you get 60 in a pack, and there's different sizes in the package, red and pink. I came across these light up hearts. They take batteries, and I did purchase these in the past before, and they tend to go really quick. So since I saw them, I picked up a few more. They're super sweet. I came across my favorite heart scarf from the Dollar Tree. I just needed them as scarves to show in a DIY that I am working on. But I did make a rag wreath using this particular scarf. If you care to see how I did that, I will post the link in the description box below. And then I came across these heart boxes, which I thought were really cute. They have chocolates all around the bottom, and then they have the see-through window here. So they came in 3 different sizes, and I picked up 1 of each, and on the inside it says Sweetheart. I think they're really cute to use as gifts, or even to store little items in there. I did purchase a set like this before for my daughter, and she keeps all her little Shopkins separated in them. So they're really cute, because then she can see what is in each box without opening it. And then the last items that I have to show you are all signs that are love or XOXO. So the first are these chunky plastic signs. You can hang them. They have the little holes in the back so that you can hang them up. This one says love. This one has the XOXO. And then this one here has love with LO on top and VE on the bottom. I picked up another XOXO sign. I really like this one. This is like the particle board, and then it has the metal in the front. I thought that one was really nice. And then the other one that I picked up says love. I really like these ones. And then the last sign I picked up, which these I've recently found them and picked them up the times that I've seen them, because I only find 1 or 2 when I do see them. But I really love this one, and it is the metal letters, and it is the particle board on the back, and they sit on this little black stand, and then the O has the greenery wreath around it. Super cute. And that will do it for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It'll greatly help my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, you guys take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye for now.